Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's begin. Mark, I am so excited. We are going to Antalya.
Yes, Emma, I am happy too.
Is it far from here?
No, the flight is about 1 hour.
Only 1 hour?
Yes, very short, very easy.
Have you been to Antalya before?
Yes, I went there 2 years ago. I loved it.
Oh, really? Tell me about it.
It has beautiful beaches, the sea is very blue, and the food is delicious.
Mark, look. The sky is so blue up here.
Yes, it is always clear up here.
I love flying.
Me too.
Mark, what is there to see in Antalya?
Many things. There is an old city, there are beaches, and there are waterfalls.
Waterfalls? Really?
Yes, they are very beautiful. You will love them.
I cannot wait to see everything.
Don't worry, I will show you everything, Emma.
Oh, the sun is so bright here.
Yes, Antalya is always sunny.
And the air, it smells different.
You can smell the sea. The sea is close.
Really? The sea is close?
Yes, very close. We will go there today.
I love this place already.
Good. There is so much more to see.
Mark, what does merhaba mean? I saw it on a sign.
Merhaba means hello in Turkish.
Oh, merhaba. Mark, look at those trees. They are so tall.
Those are palm trees. They grow in warm places.
And look at those flowers. They are so colorful.
Yes, Antalya is a very colorful city.
I see so many old buildings, too.
Yes, the city is very old, very historic.
How old is it?
More than 2,000 years old.
2,000 years? That is amazing.
Yes, you will see more soon. This is Kaleici. It means inside the castle.
Kaleici. It is so beautiful here.
Yes, this is one of the oldest parts of Antalya.
Look at those buildings. They are orange and yellow.
Yes, and look at the flowers on the walls.
It feels like a fairy tale.
I felt the same way the first time I came here.
Who built this place?
The Romans built it a very long time ago.
The Romans? I learned about them at school.
Yes, and their buildings are still here, still standing. This is Hitterlick Tower. It is very old.
How old is it?
About 2,000 years old.
And look at the sea. Oh my!
Beautiful, right?
I have no words. It is perfect.
I know, I felt the same way.
The water is so blue. I cannot believe it.
Take your time, Emma. Just look.
I just want to stand here and look at it. Mark, do you know where the restaurant is?
I think it is this way.
You think so?
Well, maybe this way.
Mark, are we lost?
No, not lost, just looking.
Let's ask that man over there.
Good idea. Excuse me, is there a good restaurant near here?
Yes, go this way, then turn left. Look for a big tree. The restaurant is next to the tree.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy Antalya. Welcome.
Hello. Welcome. What would you like?
Can we see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Mark, I cannot read this. What is kofte?
Kofta is small pieces of grilled meat. Very tasty.
And what is pide?
Pide is like a flat bread with cheese or meat on top.
Like a Turkish pizza?
Yes, exactly like a Turkish pizza.
I want to try that. I will have pide.
Good choice. And let's try Aaron to drink.
What is ayran?
It is a cold drink made from yogurt. Very popular here.
This drink is cold and a little salty.
Yes, do you like it?
It is different, but yes, I think I like it.
Good, now try the pide.
Okay. Oh, this is so good.
I told you.
The bread is so soft, and the cheese is warm.
Turkish food is simple but very delicious.
I agree. I completely agree.
Finish everything. We have more to see after lunch.
Mark the water. I can see the bottom.
Yes, the water here is very clear.
I can see the rocks under the water.
It is very clean. That is why people love this beach.
Can we swim?
Yes, of course.
Oh, the water is cold.
Yes, a little cold, but nice in the warm sun.
Maybe you're right.
So, Emma, what do you think of Antalya?
I think it is one of the most beautiful places I have ever seen. It looks so different at night.
Yes, the old city is magical in the evening.
I love this light. It is so warm. Oh, the glass is so small and pretty.
That is Turkish tea. It is called chai.
Shy?
Yes, try it.
It is strong, but it is good.
It warms you up.
Mark, look at all those stars.
Yes, the sky is very clear here at night.
Today was a perfect day.
I am glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you for showing me everything.
Of course, that is what lovers are for.
What are we doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow we go to the Duden waterfalls.
Oh, yes. I forgot about the waterfalls.
They are very beautiful. You will love them.
I am sure I will. Good night, Mark.
Good night, Emma.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.